What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been waiting for this final episode. This is episode 3 of the 3-part mini-series. This restoration of the 427 Cobra is coming out really nice. Check out this paint. So this is 4 coats of blue metallic. You can see black painted engine, which we got a detail up today. We got to add all the other detail, but first, before we get to all of that, we are going to add some racing stripes. That is right. I know I said I wanted to stay true to Carroll Shelby's last version of his, but you cannot have a Shelby Cobra without the legendary racing stripes. So that's what we're going to do. I actually chose a silver metallic. So let's get started with masking off the stripes. Alright guys, she is finished. Project Cobra 427 is officially done. Check her out, guys. Look at that. The silver metallic stripes just look so good with this metallic blue. I'm glad I chose the black interior because I was able to set it off with the nice red seat belts that go over the lap. I did put a chrome shift knob and then of course some gauges right there on the dash, kind of like how I did the Zamac. And then coming around the rear, you do have the tail lights that are detailed on there as well. And then if you noticed, I went ahead and put some real riders on here. Now this is from the Porsche 959, this one right here. Now this is one that I was willing to actually sacrifice for the purpose of this car, because that was one of the comments that people were talking about, is if I'm doing all this detail and resto work, why not put some really good real riders? And these were the only ones that fit the fenders just like it should, and of course being white just sets it off nicely. So check this out, guys, she is done. I think it came out beautiful and amazing. And of course, look at that top profile, that is nice. So a huge shout out and a big thanks to my buddy Mike for sending me this cast. First off, I was actually going to leave it the way it was, and then I thought, you know what, let me try to restore it back to the Hot Wheels team race livery. All of you commenting on the community post that I put out there asking if I should put stripes on, and almost 99% of you said yes, stripes. Shelby should always have stripes. That's what set it off. So collectively we all put in this cast together, but at the same time I think this thing came out nice. This is probably one of my favorites now in my collection. You guys remember my Porsche 934.5 that I did? I thought that one was good, but this one is my favorite. The stripes just came out perfect. It ties in so nice, and then of course let's set it down on the ground. And then of course just the way it looks, she just looks so good now, much better than what it did before. There we go. That's the finished product, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this 3-episode series of the restoration of the 427 SC. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comments down below if I should do more small series like this. So again, Mike, thank you so much for sending me this cast, and of course tasking me with the challenge of restoring this to how she is sitting now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below what your thoughts are, and if you're super stoked that I put some real riders and took off the black 5 spokes that were on there originally. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.